Hey folks, Ben from Snowies today showing you the TOAKS 145mm titanium pan.
Hit it.
This handy little fry pan weighs in at just 78 grams. It's got 3 centimeters of depth. It's made of pure titanium for durability and strength on the trail. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. This is TOAKS 145mm titanium fry pan. When I say 145, I think they're referring to the inner measurement because it measures about 15.5 centimeters in diameter and about 3 centimeters in height. So it's got a bit of depth there, so you can do all sorts with this pan. All pure titanium, high-grade titanium, as with all TOAKS products. Really simple little folding handle around the side there that folds flat when it's packed away and then locks into place like this when you want to use it. That adds about 9 centimeters of handle for you to grab, so nice, neat sort of, or decent handle for you to hold on to. Perfect addition to your lightweight hike setup if you like to cook fish cakes or maybe cook eggs, or you need a small fry pan, small lightweight fry pan. This is a great addition to your kit. It's sort of nests with other pans. So this is a 900mm pan from TOAKS that does fit inside. So if you're kind of working out what combination you're going to use to put other things inside, you've got about 14.5 centimeters of depth there to be able to put other pots inside. But otherwise, what you see is what you get. Just a really simple, lightweight, but durable titanium fry pan for lightweight hiking adventures. Perfect for chefs who like to hit the trail. Check these out online at snowies.com.au.